Hold on to your joy in the middle of your tears. Hi there! Kumusta ka? Kapag nasa gitna tayo ng pagsubok and things are falling apart, we tend to ask, where is my God? But today, I'd like to remind you, God is with you. Do not fear, for I have redeemed you. I have summoned you by name. You are mine. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. When you pass rivers, they will not sweep over you. Rejoice in the Lord, not because everything is falling into place. Rejoice in the Lord kahit na parang bumabagsak na ang lahat. Find strength in God's presence. But how do we rejoice if things are falling apart? Paano ako magtitiwala kung hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung mangyayari bukas? Hindi ako sigurado sa sitwasyon ko ngayon. We rejoice